Assalamu alaikum. Hope by MC Scriptor. How are you guys? So, today I will start something that I promised and that I think that everyone should do. Not to debate, not to try to win the argument or to prove somebody is wrong. I will try to dismantle, to make a breakdown of the concept of the religion. And I will start with one wisdom. Life is nothing more than what you imagine. Think about it. If you imagine that life is an evil place, it will be an evil place. If you imagine that life is a place where you only hate, you meet only hate and engage only with people who want to take advantage about you, you'll end up meeting only people who will take advantage about you. So whatever you think about life, life will become. That is where like positive thinking is so important. And this is not magic. This is God telling you that. The same about God. If you imagine that God is something bad, is a prison guard, prison guard who is watching you and like he want to punish you every single time, it eventually will be like you'll see a lot of Allah is saying in the Quran that I am in my worshippers' opinion. I beg apologies if I maybe mispronounce some terms. I'm trying to explain simple. I'm not going to semantic, I'm not going to linguistic. Even if I will use sometimes some terms, I will try to explain them and make them the most easy to understand. So life is really complex, but my question is why life is complex? Do you know? If you know, leave me a comment and tell me why life is complex and why life is so difficult, why life is such a difficult test. Just ponder. The answer is very easy, but you need to think about it. Not research, not read, just to think, because you already are smart. You just need to understand it. You are smart, but don't rush. Haste is not from God. Haste is from Shaitan. Haste is from Satan. So breathe, think positive, see life beautiful, and life will become beautiful. When you engage and you spread the goodness, goodness will prevail. So easy. See you in the next video.